on to another question. This was a pre-submitted question. What is the cost for medical coverage in Belize? And assume this question asker is assuming it will be required or needed. I'll start out by saying it's not required. Is it needed? Well, that depends on your health. Probably is needed. Cost of medical coverage in Belize?
It's so inexpensive that we personally don't have medical coverage. But what I would recommend if you're concerned about it is we used to call it life flight back in the U.S. There's something similar here for an emergency evacuation. Medevac, thank you. The last I checked, it was only $250 US per year. That could have changed from the last time I looked at it. But it's just something that we haven't participated in yet. Every need that we've had has been met here in Belize, from x-rays. We have friends that have seen an internist. My mother-in-law was hospitalized here before. Excellent coverage. Like I said, x-rays, blood work, mammogram, anything you could think of. A friend of mine's mother went to an oncologist. There's a heart specialist. I'd be happy to answer more questions about personal experience and people that I've met over the last 14 years that have had excellent medical coverage or medical services taken care of them here in Belize City.
Yeah, great, Michelle. Thanks for that. A few other things about medical or the availability of medical care here in Belize. It is available. I would say that for routine medical maladies, a cut, a broken bone, a headache, a fever,
testing,
we have great medical care. If it's something more serious, brain cancer, the need for significant disease, again, Corozal district, there's great medical care in Mexico that's much cheaper than the U.S. and Canada.
And that's
let's call it U.S. Yeah, easy drive. Also, our medical coverage, our medical services is expanding. For example, it hasn't been that long since San Pedro had their own facility with doctors there. And that's a big deal because before that, it was only the big hospitals, public hospital, and 2 private hospitals have been right here in Belize City. So people will come to Belize City from the out districts if they had any problems. Now that's expanding to full service clinics. And again, one in San Pedro recently had a groundbreaking. So that's great. Hopefully that answered the questions about medical coverage. It is far cheaper than that.